Here is the GoPro Hero 4K, the 2024 model. I'm going to show you how to rotate the screen, okay? So you can see right now it's vertical, okay? But you can also turn it over. Boom. We can turn it over like this, and it goes vertical, okay? So if you want to have the auto rotate on, just slide down, and then you should see this icon right there, okay? You might have to swipe to the left or swipe to the right, but right there, that's the screen lock, okay? So if I leave the screen like this and I lock it, now it's going to be locked into this horizontal position, okay? Basically landscape position. So when I turn it over, it's not going to turn around, okay? Now if I want to lock it into like a portrait or vertically, what I can do is I have to take off the screen orientation lock, okay? You can see how the icon looks, okay? When I turn it off, it looks like this, okay? When I go ahead and lock it, it changes, okay? So let me just go ahead and take the auto lock off, and then I'll turn it sideways. And now from here, I'll go ahead and lock it, okay? Now, if I go back to video or camera, you can see it's vertical, and even if I turn it over, it's going to stay like that. Here you go.